The nature of non-reaction is grounded in understanding. The thinker who is genuinely non-reactive is non-reactive because they understand precisely what conditions are in relation to what is within. Conditions are secondary reality, the echo of what has been held within and developed, the physical expression of seeds that have already unfolded. They are the past in physical form. They are not the present reality of what is currently developing. They are not the future of what is currently unfolding. The seed that is currently developing, the genuine thought held in the quality mind, is not visible in current conditions. It has not yet expressed. It is in the invisible period. This is the 7-minute daily focus, day 212 of 365, to focus on the world within from the world without. Today's focus, the law of non-reaction, the nature of non-reaction. Pause for a moment. Non-reaction is not indifference. The thinker who is non-reactive is not indifferent to what is physically seen. They see conditions fully. They perceive what is physically present. They engage with the world without completely. Non-reaction is not about seeing less. It is about not following what is seen with thinking, not allowing what is physically seen to redirect thinking from the seed to the surface. Conditions are seen, and thinking remains upon the seed. This is non-reaction. Pause. The nature of non-reaction is grounded in understanding. The thinker who is genuinely non-reactive is non-reactive because they understand precisely what conditions are in relation to what is within. Conditions are secondary reality, the echo of what has been held within and developed, the physical expression of seeds that have already unfolded. They are the past in physical form. They are not the present reality of what is currently developing. They are not the future of what is currently unfolding. The seed that is currently developing, the genuine thought held in the quality mind, is not visible in current conditions. It has not yet expressed. It is in the invisible period. And the thinker who understands this does not expect conditions to reflect what is developing, because conditions can only reflect what has already expressed. The new development has not yet expressed, and so conditions cannot yet reflect it. This understanding is what makes non-reaction natural, not suppression, not avoidance, understanding. Thought is within, effect is without. Thinking stands between. Pause for a moment. Non-reaction is the most refined form of the inner discipline built throughout Phase 4. Disciplined thinking is the engine of development. Steadfastness is the staying power through the invisible period. Alignment is the undivided direction of thinking. Non-reaction is the protection of all three, because reaction can interrupt disciplined thinking. Reaction can break steadfastness. Reaction can misalign the mind. All in one moment, all through one act of following what is physically seen, and non-reaction prevents all three interruptions simultaneously, by not following, by remaining, by seeing the condition and returning to the seed. This is the culminating quality of Phase 4, the discipline of the mind expressed in its most refined form. Pause. The authority of non-reaction is the authority of undisturbed development. The thinker who reacts gives conditions authority over their development. Each reaction is a transfer of authority from the seed within to the condition without. The condition now directs the thinking. The condition now determines what receives nourishment. The condition now determines what develops. The thinker has become an effect, not a cause. Non-reaction reclaims that authority. not by fighting conditions, not by refusing to see them, by maintaining thinking upon the seed. The condition may be present. The reaction does not follow. The thinking does not redirect. The seed continues to receive what it needs. The authority remains with the thinker. This is the authority of non-reaction. The thinker who has developed it is the author of their own development, not circumstances, not what is seen, not what others do or say. The thinker from within, determining through the direction of thinking what is developing and what is not, and what develops through undivided, undisturbed thinking, held by a thinker with full inner authority, must physically express in full, without exception, from within, without. Now, the affirmation for day 212. Pause for a moment. I perceive what is physically seen. I do not react to it. I acknowledge what appears. I do not follow it. Conditions present themselves. I remain upon the seed. The appearance is secondary. The seed is primary. I operate from the primary. I do not allow what is secondary to interrupt what is developing within the primary. I hold, I sustain, I remain, and what is held and sustained must unfold, and what unfolds must physically express. Remember, by design, by focus.